Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to deactivate your Nav online account. If you don't have a Nav Prime account yet, we've included our affiliate link in the description below, along with other helpful business tools and resources, so feel free to check those out. Once you've clicked on our affiliate link, you should see a screen that looks like this. Go ahead and click on the Login button to get started. Next, on the fields provided, enter your account email and password. Then click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side of the screen. Click on the option for Profile and Settings. Under Profile and Settings, you will see several information. Scroll down to the bottom. Under Manage Account, you will see an option for Deactivate Account. Click on the option that says Deactivate Account. On this page, you will see what would happen if you deactivate your account. To proceed, click on the option that says Remove my access to Nav. That's how you deactivate your Nav online account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.